Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop with the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. Let's find out which one reigns supreme in the world of steam cleaning. When it comes to price, the BISSELL Power Steamer is priced at $175, making it a hefty investment for some. However, many reviewers appreciate its effectiveness in tackling tough cleaning jobs, despite the higher cost. Conversely, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is more budget-friendly at $119. Reviewers highlight its value for money and ease of use, making it a great choice for those looking to save. In terms of power and performance, the BISSELL Power Steamer is known for its powerful, high-temperature steam that can eliminate a variety of tough stains. Reviewers have praised its ability to clean grime and grease effectively. On the flip side, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is also noted for its strong cleaning power, heating up in just 15 seconds. Users find it efficient for daily cleaning tasks, but some feel it may not handle heavy-duty jobs as well as the BISSELL. Versatility is another key area of comparison. The BISSELL Power Steamer is a *3-in-1 multi-purpose cleaner with *29 accessories *, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers love its adaptability, although some mention the weight of the machine. The Schenley, while offering *7 accessories *, is still considered versatile, with users appreciating how it performs across different surfaces. However, some reviewers note it may not be as robust for all applications compared to the BISSELL. Both products boast chemical-free cleaning capabilities. The BISSELL effectively eliminates 99.9% of germs, earning praise from users who appreciate its sanitizing power. Meanwhile, the Schenley also promotes eco-friendly cleaning, heating up in just 15 seconds with tap water. Reviewers appreciate this feature, but some express concerns about its steam output not being sufficient for thorough sanitization, particularly in comparison to the BISSELL. Overall, the BISSELL Power Steamer is favored for its powerful cleaning capabilities and extensive versatility, while the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is appreciated for its affordability and ease of use. However, some users caution that the Schenley may not match the BISSELL's performance in heavy-duty scenarios. So which steam mop do you prefer? The powerful BISSELL or the budget-friendly Schenley? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons, and check out the product links in the description.